If I say about Thailand, tourism, now it's going to come back soon. All the Thai people now have started going for many places, and Thai tourism have already opened here. Hi, this is Amit. This is my blog, Business Unleashed. So after a long time of Corona, Thailand has achieved that 0 cases for last many months. I think all people know that one. So not only Thailand, many countries in this world have achieved 0 cases and few cases also. So and again all the countries are, and except another, all the countries are trying to finish this corona soon as possible. And Russia has found that, all people know that one, Russia has found that vaccination. Many countries are again going to research about the vaccination, and they are going to publish it soon as possible. So if I say about Thailand, in many months Thailand have 0 cases. They have do very good protection for the people. They have take care of many very good for the people. Not only Thailand, many countries have done that one. I'm from India. India also, they are taking care very good of people, and they are protecting the people and thinking of people. And I thank you for all the people, all the government official, and all the people who have supported for all the things, food or shelter or anything for the people. I'm really thank you for all the people. And if I say about Thailand, tourism, now it's going to come back soon. All the Thai people now have started going for many places, and Thai tourism have already opened here. If you say about Thailand, I am staying in Pattaya. If you say about Thailand, in Pattaya, many things, many tourist places have already been opened. Beaches, clubs, mainly the walking street, the clubs, bars, everything have been opened. But people are not too much, but Thai people are coming, tourists to stay here, they are going. But hopefully we all going to listen a good thing soon as possible, because official thing we also cannot say what they're thinking, what they're going to decide. And if I say about the official matters, we cannot discuss, because it is confidential, that we don't know much about when going to open and when tourists are allowed to Thailand. But hopefully everything will be soon open. We all think of that only. Because now the situation in Pattaya is that all the discos and clubs, everything have been opened, and restaurants, everything have been opened. Many tourists from another cities and foreigners from another cities are visiting Thailand, and it's same walking street and all. If you go, all the discos not open. Indian discos and all not open, but Thai discos open, and Thai people are going in that one. But hopefully we will get a good news soon, and all will be able to coming to Thailand as soon as possible. I get many messages from many of my clients, because I have tourism here. Hope all know that one, Bangkok Holiday Travels, it's my travel name. I getting many inquiries, and many people are inquiring about that. They want to come to Thailand. Many people are saying that when flights opening, they want to book tickets. Many inquiries are getting. So hopefully, because now many countries have open flights already, but in Thailand it's not decided yet. But they are going to allow some of the countries, but not sure which all countries, because I also see in news that some countries are going to allow. So we think that which country are allowed, I don't know. But I will also update you soon as possible if I get the details. And I think the vaccination will be introduced soon, and we all will be free from this corona, this life, and we all come to back normal life. So my friends, don't worry about any financial things or anything. Everyone have this problem. Everyone is facing this problem. So we all will recover from that, and we all will come back to our normal life soon as possible. So, and I want to visit all you people when you people come to Thailand. And thank you anyway. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. thank you. So you can see right now I'm sitting in the beach. This is a very nice place. So thank you guys. Bye bye.